This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make real cornbread. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, focusing on quality cornmeal for authentic flavor. Next, I'll guide you through the proper mixing techniques to achieve the perfect batter consistency. Finally, we'll discuss the best baking methods, including the secret to that irresistible crispy crust. Get ready to bake a delicious, comforting batch of homemade cornbread that everyone will love. Now, let's get our hands dirty with the mixing process. First, combine your dry ingredients, including 1 1/2 cups of cornmeal, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients, 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Gently fold the wet into the dry until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cornbread. It's time to bake our delicious cornbread. Carefully pour your prepared batter into a hot, well-greased 9-inch cast iron skillet. This step is crucial for that amazing crispy bottom. Place it into your preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes or until the top is beautifully golden brown. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Your homemade cornbread is ready to be enjoyed. Let it cool slightly before slicing and serving warm with a generous pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside your favorite chili. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days or refrigerated for longer. For more great cooking tips and other deals, be sure to check the description below for links, including one for the new Kindle Paperwhite. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.